Alright guys, today we're going to be replacing the idle tensioner pulley on this 2010 Ford Escape. It's really simple. It just has two bolts that come off, and right here you'll be able to take a 15mm socket, put it on there, use a breaker bar or just a ratchet. You'll be able to pull down on it, and that'll release the tension on the belt. So you're going to want to do that first and then take out the top two bolts. I've already got this jacked up and I've got the passenger tire taken off. Now we just need to remove the shroud. Really simple to do. There's a clip over here, and there's a couple bolts here, and I think there might be one underneath. Yeah, here on the front side. We're gonna take those out, and that'll be able to drop down, and it'll get us access to the serpentine belt. All right, that came out pretty easy. There we go. Take that out. And that'll just pop right back into place. Just a little plastic clip. Alright, now that we got that shroud off, we can easily get to this idler tensioner pulley. So we'll go ahead and put our socket and ratchet on right here. We'll pull up on it and we'll be able to take this belt off. Alright, now that we got that belt off, just going to kind of pull this down. And we'll just kind of pull this belt out of the way here best we can. And then we can get access to this bolt right here, and then the other bolt, which is right there. Alright, so now we've got the old one off. As you can see right here is where it mounts at. There's nothing really behind it here, so it just mounts on. Two bolts, super simple to get to. They are 10mm. I recommend using a short socket, especially for up here, so you got enough room to get into it. But there is quite a bit of room, working room in there, so you don't have to worry about dealing with too much of a tight space. Alright, now that we got everything tightened back up, we're going to put the belt back on, double check and make sure that everything is good on it. And then we'll just slide the socket on. Pull back as far as we can. Boom, and now she's on. And there you have it, guys. Brand new idle tensioner pulley installed. Took me about 20 minutes to do everything, get it off and put the new one on. And now I just got to put 3 screws back in and that little plastic clip, and we are done. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I just got done with it, put everything back together, and the car isn't making a squeaking noise anymore coming from the pulley. So therefore I fixed the problem. Hopefully, if you guys ever have this issue, just go right to the idler pulley, because that's usually what goes bad on them. But please hit that subscribe button and the like button also. Comment down below if you have any questions, and I will see you guys next time.